India is heading towards a maritime revolution. At the heart of this transformation lies a port that is set to redefine our country's position in global trade. The Vizhinjam International Seaport. Located in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, Vizhinjam is more than just another infrastructural project. It is a symbol of strategic thinking, economic foresight, and India's growing ambition to emerge as a global logistics hub. On the 2nd of May 2025, a historic moment unfolded.
Welcomed by the dignitaries.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at Vizhinjam to inaugurate this monumental project that promises to reshape Kerala's economy and India's maritime identity. The event was attended by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan, Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani and Thiruvananthapuram MP Shashi Tharoor, a landmark gathering for a landmark occasion. Before the formal inauguration, the Prime Minister toured the sprawling transshipment hub. Accompanied by senior leaders, he observed ongoing developments, interacted with engineers and project leaders, and witnessed the scale and ambition of a port set to redefine India's place in global trade. As the crowd cheered, the Prime Minister took the stage. Gautam Adani welcomed him with Kerala's traditional ponnada and presented a commemorative memento, a symbolic gesture of honor, tradition and pride.
On behalf of the people of Kerala, I once again express our sincere gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister for visiting our state to dedicate the landmark project to the nation. I also extend my congratulations to the Adani Group for executing this mission with excellence.
And with that, the Vizhinjam International Seaport was officially inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As celebrations erupted, a new chapter in India's maritime journey began, connecting our coastline to global commerce like never before. A deep-water transshipment hub, Vizhinjam is located just 10 nautical miles from a key international shipping route. Built by Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited in collaboration with the Government of Kerala under a public-private partnership model, Vizhinjam is a strategic bridge between India and global trade lanes. What makes Vizhinjam exceptional is not just its location, it is the vision. The port is aligned with PM Gati Shakti, India's transformative master plan for infrastructure integration. It's also a core part of the Act East and Sagarmala policies, driving port-led development and regional connectivity across Asia. At full capacity, Vizhinjam is projected to handle over 6 million TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units annually. This will ease pressure on other Indian ports and offer a faster, more cost-effective alternative for global cargo transshipment. Since its launch, Vizhinjam has welcomed some of the world's most significant cargo vessels. Among them is the San Fernando, the port's first mothership, a 300-meter-long vessel with a capacity of 8,000 to 9,000 TEUs. Most notably, on the 9th of June 2025, MSC Irina, the largest container ship in the world, docked at Vizhinjam, reaffirming the port's readiness to handle ultra-large ships and anchor India in global maritime trade. Prime Minister Modi returned to the stage to address the nation. His message was one of ambition and transformation. Vizhinjam Port will bring economic stability to Kerala and the nation, he declared.
यहाँ एक और अपनी संभावनाओं के साथ उपस्थित ये विशाल समुद्र है और दूसरी ओर प्रकृति का अद्भुत सौंदर्य है और इन सब के बीच हम न्यू एज डेवलपमेंट का सिंबल ये विजिंगम डीप वाटर सी पोर्ट है। मैं केरला के लोगों को, देश के लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
For Kerala, Vizhinjam signals a future of opportunity. The port brings with it economic growth, employment and international connectivity. Thousands are already engaged in its construction and operation. Thousands more will benefit through allied industries, logistics and trade.
इस सी पोर्ट को 8,800 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से तैयार किया गया है। अभी इस ट्रांसशिपमेंट हब की जो क्षमता है वो भी आने वाले समय में बढ़कर के 3 गुनी हो जाएगी। यहां दुनिया के बड़े मालवाहक जहाज आसानी से आ सकेंगे। अभी तक भारत का 75% ट्रांसशिपमेंट भारत के बाहर के पोर्ट पर होता था। इससे देश को बहुत बड़ा रेवेन्यू लॉस होता आया है। ये परिस्थिति अब बदलने जा रही है। अब देश का पैसा देश के काम आएगा। जो पैसा बाहर जाता था वो केरला और विजिंजम के लोगों के लिए नई इकोनॉमिक अपॉर्चुनिटी लेकर आएगा।
The target is we have to make this one of the most efficient port, not just in the country but globally, and help the Indian importers and exporters reduce their logistics costs. If the country needs to grow, trade has to grow almost twice of the country's growth, and we are very bullish that the marine infrastructure, the ports, will be the key enabler in driving that growth.
Kerala is now firmly placed on the global maritime map, and India is stepping confidently into a new era of logistics leadership.
Vizhinjam will be in a class of its own as one of the most technologically sophisticated transshipment ports in the world. I am delighted that every aspect that we had planned for is coming together, and we are privileged to have been given this opportunity to use our expertise to transform this part of India.
Thousands of jobs, billions in trade potential, endless opportunities for entrepreneurs, exporters, and the next generation of maritime professionals. Vizhinjam is not just about today, it is built for the India of tomorrow. A coastline rises, a vision turns into reality.
मैं एक बार फिर आप सभी को आज के इस आयोजन के लिए अपनी शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। केरला ग्लोबल मैरीटाइम ट्रेड का बड़ा सेंटर बने और हजारों नई जॉब्स क्रिएट हो, इस दिशा में भारत सरकार राज्य सरकार के साथ मिलकर काम करती रहेगी। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि केरला के लोगों के सामर्थ्य से भारत का मैरीटाइम सेक्टर नई बुलंदियों को छुएगा।
Ease of doing business, ease of movement, ease of ambition. That's the India the Prime Minister envisions, and it begins at ports like Vizhinjam. From the shores of Kerala to the ports of the world, this is India's maritime moment. This is Vizhinjam.